Hello, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Best Reviews, your ultimate guide to the coolest and most innovative tech gadgets you can buy this year. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top 5 must-have gadgets that are sure to impress and elevate your tech game. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to stay updated on the latest reviews and tech news. Also, don't forget to check out the links to all the featured products in the description box below. Let's get right into it. Number 5 on our list is the Ekster Parliament Slim Leather Wallet. This isn't just any wallet, it's the next generation of wallets. Designed for the modern man, the Ekster Parliament offers effortless access to your cards while providing built-in RFID data protection to prevent wireless theft. No more fumbling through a bulky bifold wallet. Moving on to number 4, we have the fellow electric Clyde Kettle. This isn't your average kettle. It's a modern twist on a classic stovetop design, reimagined for the contemporary kitchen. With a 1.5-liter capacity, it's perfect for all your hot water needs, whether it's for tea, coffee, oatmeal, or even ramen. Named after the robust Clydesdale horse, this kettle is built to be a workhorse in your kitchen. Next up, at number 3, is the RAPTIC upgraded link and lock for Apple AirTags. This anti-theft, heavy-duty combination lock carabiner is a must-have for securing your AirTags and valuable items. It features a built-in, cast zinc constructed 3-digit combination lock, providing added security against theft. At number 2, we have the Pelican Magnetic Wallet for iPhone. This heavy-duty snap-on MagSafe wallet is designed for the latest iPhone models, including the iPhone 15 Pro Max, 15 Pro, 15, 14 Pro Max, 14, and 13 Pro Max. The Pelican Magnetic Wallet boasts a tough build with robust magnets that easily attach to any magnetic case or Apple MagSafe device, supporting up to 3 times the weight of your phone. Finally, at number 1, we have the PhoneSoap Pro UV Smartphone Sanitizer and Universal Cell Phone Charger Box. In today's world, hygiene is more important than ever, and PhoneSoap Pro takes phone sanitization to the next level. Utilizing UVC light, it disinfects your entire phone and other high-touch items, killing 99.99% of germs and bacteria. This patented design ensures 360-degree disinfection, reaching all sides and surfaces of objects placed inside. PhoneSoap Pro is not just a sanitizer, it's also a universal charger. With dual USB and USB-C ports, you can charge your phone while it's being sanitized. It's designed to fit larger phones like the iPhone 8 Plus or Galaxy S10 Plus, and can also sanitize other personal items such as keys, wallets, headphones, jewelry, and glasses.